Have you ever been on a bike riding down a hill and found yourself going pretty fast? And did you notice that as your bike moved faster, it felt as if your body was being pulled back, as if something was dragging you? Drag force is actually quite big. I mean, really big. How big? Let's just say it's like a herd of 25 elephants pulling you back. That's crazy. We will also show how Ansys simulation technology around the world is used to understand the drag force. Are you interested? Well, let's go.